Hi, welcome to Maths video class 6th, and we are on chapter 14 fractions, and we have decided addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are the basics of fractions. Once you know this, you can solve rest of the things. Okay. So we are here 14D, simplify. Simplify means here question number 1 is simplify. You can take it as multiplication also. So you've seen the first example, 3 by 7 multiplied by 2 by 5. Okay, so no issues. Simple multiplication. Horizontal multiplication you have to do. 3 2s are 7 5s are. Okay, so 3 2s are 7 5s are. You can cancel also, means you can divide also if it is allowing. But here in this case you will see like this you cannot divide or cancel, like this also, like this also. Okay, so directly 3 2s are 6, 7 5s are 35. You cannot convert it in mixed fraction also because numerator is smaller than denominator. So this is the answer. So here you will see third one, 5 by 12 multiplied by 8. So here 8 denominator nothing is there means divided by 1. So 5 by 12 multiplied by 8 by 1. If nothing is there means divided by 1. Okay. So 5 into 8 upon 12 multiplied by 1. So you can see here these two come in one table. So 4 2s are 4 3s are. Okay. So I can divide this with this with this, but I cannot divide this with this and this with this. Horizontally I cannot divide or cancel. I can divide vertically or crossly. Okay. So 4 2s are 4 3s are. So 5 2s are 10, 3 1s are 3. So converted into mixed form, 3 3s are 9, 1, 3, 1 by 3. 3 integer, 1 upon 3. 3 integer, 1 upon 3. Okay. So fourth one you can see 7 by 6 of 3 by 14. 7 by 6 of means multiplication. Remember, meaning of is multiplication, 3 by 14. So 7 by 6 multiplied by 3 by 14. I told you, you can cancel 7 1s are 7 2s are 3 1s are 3 2s are. You cannot cancel 7 and 3 and 6 and 14. Means even if here 14 is there, 7 is here, and if 14 comes here, you cannot cancel them. Horizontally not allowed. Whatever may be the case, only cross or vertical. Okay, means okay. So 7, so here 7 and 3 I have multiplied. So 7 1s are 7 2s are 3 1s are 3 2s are 1 1s are 1 2 2s are 4. Okay. Fifth one, convert this into mixed. These two are mixed. So first step is converting into improper fractions. 3 8s are 24, 24 plus 3 27 upon 8 multiplied by 3 7s are 21 upon 6, 27 upon 7. Okay, so 27 multiplied by 7, 8 into 7. So 27 into 27, 7. You can see I cannot cancel because they do not come in any one common table. So 27 27s of 729, 8 7 8s of 56. So converted into mixed form, I have got 56 13 upon 1. You can see I have divided 13 1 upon 56. That's what I doubted, how 1 came. So 13 1 upon 56. 13 1 upon 56. Okay. So this is the homework, multiplication homework for all of you. You can see here 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. Next we will see division. Division, you can see question is simplify. It can come under division also, because, and we are going to solve 5 questions only. So 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. So we'll see what is division. Division is 10% division and 90% multiplication. Okay. So first step is convert mixed into improper. 2 by 3 divided by 1 5 is a 5, 5 plus 1 6 upon 5. Okay. So 2 by 3. The important step is here, this division, you have to convert it into multiplication, and you have to take reciprocal of 6 by 5. So 6 by reciprocal of 6 by 5 is 5 by 6. First, convert division into multiplication and then take reciprocal of 6 by 5. So, reciprocal is very important. Once you convert division into multiplication, you have to take reciprocal of the second fraction. You cannot take reciprocal of first fraction. That will be as it is, you can see. You have to take reciprocal of only second fraction. So, these things will change. Means division will become multiplication and 6 by 5 will become 5 by 6. Second fraction, reciprocal and sign change. Okay. Then you know, I've explained how to do multiplication. So, same thing you will do multiplication. So, 2 multiplied by 5, 3 multiplied by 6, 2 1s are 2 3s are. 2 1 5s are 5, 3 3s are 9. Since this is proper, it will be as it is. Okay. So, I told you 10% division and 90% multiplication. So, 1 divided by 2 by 5. So, 1 I told you, if 1 is numerator is there, denominator you can write directly 1 by 1. Again, first step, convert division into multiplication and 2 by 5 into 5 by 2. So, this division has become multiplication and this 2 by 5 have become 5 by 2. Then 1 5s are 5. Then divided by 5. Then you know 1 5s are 5 and 1 2s are 2. Since it is mixed, improper, you have to convert it into mixed. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 by 2. Okay. Let's see the third example. Fifth example means this is my third example, but textbook fifth example. So first step, convert it into improper. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 7 by 3 divided by 1 4s are 4. 4 plus 3 7 upon 4. For division, you know, change this sign and reciprocal. So 7 by 3 division becomes multiplication. 7 by 4 becomes 4 by 7. Then 7 with 7 gets cancelled. Then nothing else you can cancel. So 1 4s are 4. 3 1s are 3. So 1 4s are 4. 3 1s are 3. 4 1 by 3 and converted into mixed form because this is improper fraction. Improper fraction means numerator is greater than denominator. So here I have shown 3 1s are 3, 1 1 by 3, 1 1 by 3. When you bring it to original form, 1 3s are 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 by 3. So means we are right. Okay. So your homework is multiplication homework I have given. So your homework is, first I have solved, second you have to solve, second and fourth you have to solve. Okay. Means first, second, third, fourth and fifth you have to solve. Out of which 3 I have solved. This and this. You have to solve second and fourth by yourself. Wherever possible, do cancellation. Cancellation I told you can't do horizontally, only cross or vertical. Okay. Simplification, we'll see if we can do 1 or 2. Okay. Just for your understanding purpose, because here I have to explain because it's new for you. BoardMass I'll explain once and then we'll have just 2-3 examples of simplification which will be taught but won't come for the exam. For exam, direct questions will come: addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Okay, no mixed one like involving BoardMass, but still I'll explain it. Okay, so I hope you are understanding. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Only thing is, please concentrate on finding out LCM. That's very important. If you know LCM, then only you can solve 3 or more than 3 addition, subtraction, fractions. Okay. So I hope this video will reach you during maybe on 31st, maybe on 1st, maybe on 2nd. So Happy New Year, children. Happy New Year to all of you, and keep nice resolutions towards 21 and let's be positive towards 2021. Okay. Thank you so much.